Guys, welcome to Fish Hook. I'm Charles. We're continuing our theme of healthy seafood. So, you guys have all had tuna salad, I'm sure. In my opinion, that's a boring dish, and plain old tuna in the can, I don't care what it is, it's just boring. It needs help. So we're gonna mix all of this in this bowl and give it a good whisk, and we're going to see just how good this thing comes out. I think you guys will be surprised. I've drained the tuna as good as I can. There's always a little bit more water I want to take out of it. And we're going to get started. Yeah, this makes about 2.5 cups, this particular recipe, and they'll be in the links below. Let's get a little bit more water out of there. There we go. This is a quick, easy treat to spice up a salad with tuna fish, carrots, celery. I was never big on plain tuna fish. I never had it made for me that made me like, wow. None of that. Lemon, black pepper. Get all our mayo out. All right. Beautiful. And non-fat yogurt. All in all, by the time you chop up everything, I don't think you've got 15 minutes in prepping this dish. So let's go ahead and mix this. I think we've got this mixed up real good. Oh yeah, this looks delicious. Just delicious. Well guys, the best time of all, time to taste. So let's give it a test. Take a little bit of it. I want to get a piece of celery in my mouth. I love celery. The key to this is really dicing up, whether you do the food processor or I did it by hand, but dicing up your vegetables real small. Celery adds a good taste to it, and I like this organic mayo. This is good. This is a good dish. I'm pleased with this dish. I'm pleased the way it tastes. Taking an ordinary, boring tuna salad and putting a little pizzazz in it, and to boot, to make it healthy. So guys, this is our effort to do healthy seafood cooking. Whether it be a cold dish like this or something baked in the oven, which is coming up on future videos. It's all in an effort to stay healthy. And you gotta watch what we're eating today. There's so many chemicals, so many additives. Read the labels, read the ingredients. On this channel, you'll see from me, every time I buy fish, it's gonna be raw, not farm raised. And for example, I've got a scallop dish coming. Gotta buy a dry scallop, dry prepared scallops, dry packed. Why? The wet packed ones have some, I think it's trisodium phosphate or something in there that plumps them up, gives them more weight, and when it's finally dehydrated, it emits a ton of sodium in the food. That's in an effort to make more money. More weight means more money. It doesn't mean more scallops. So just giving you an idea why need to do your research. Just a little bit of effort could really change the way your life is. Again, thanks so much for watching. We had a blast doing this. The links to all this recipe will be in the below the video here as you watch it. And by no means are you limited to the ingredients that I put in, or even the amounts of the ingredients. If you guys like more organic mayo, put it in. If you like a little more salt, if you like it a little more on the spicy side, do that. You can delete, you can add. Another good ingredient that I know would go great with this would be really firm tomatoes, just diced up real good. Oh man, I think that would really add a nice touch to this. But just little things like this. So let's step out of our box. Let's have fun doing it, and be healthy at the same time. So again, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for taking time out of your busy lives. I know all you guys are busy, and just like me, I can't really watch anything at work. So when I come home, I like to flip YouTube on and see my favorite people that I watch and follow. I like to see what they're up to. So guys, thanks so much. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We'd love for you to be part of our family. We've got fishing related videos coming on Fridays, and sometimes on Saturday. We have reviews of tackle, reviews of cooking equipment, as you've already seen. Tuesday nights we do Chatting with Charles. I spend roughly about an hour, and I've had people from all over the world, and that's been a blast. And then in addition, this Munchy Mondays are just great. It's going off the charts as far as the seafood reviews that we do, and now in the kitchen, oh man, I have a blast. I can't wait to get into the kitchen and do another dish. So thanks for joining me. Thanks for coming in my home, and we will see you again on the next one. Have a great week.